Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to extend a volume or partition in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To extend a volume or partition in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Disk Management. Here I have a partition drive E and it's 4.87 GB size, and I have also 4 GB unallocated here. I want to extend this drive E with this 4 GB unallocated space. Now right click on E drive, click on extend volume. Now click on next, and look, the 4 GB is already selected here, this unallocated 4 GB. Now click on next, and now click on finish, and look, the partition is extended right now. Now open the file explorer and click on this PC, and look, the extended partition is showing in file explorer on Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.